This video is designed to prepare non-immigrant visa applicants through the application process by exploring the resources on our U.S. Embassy website. From the home page, the non-immigrant visa application can be found by selecting the U.S. Visa tab and clicking on the link that reads DS-160 under the What is a Visa header. The DS-160 application takes roughly 90 minutes to complete. You can click on the blue bar to select another language in which to fill out the application. For additional information on what is needed for your application, click on the Gather Your Documents link under Step 3 to explore the types of documents needed and answers to frequently asked questions. In addition to submitting your DS-160 application, you will need to pay your application fee. To find the latest information on visa fees from the U.S. Visa page, click on the Apply tab, select the country where you are applying for the U.S. visa, and click on the available link. From there, follow the necessary prompts and scroll down to where it says Visa Fees. After your DS-160 application has been submitted and your fees have been paid, you will need to schedule your visa interview. From the home page, click on the U.S. Visa header. On the main visa page under Non-Immigrant Visas, click the link to schedule your appointment or go directly to usvisa-info.com. In preparing for your interview, remember that large bags, backpacks, and briefcases are not allowed inside the embassy. To learn more about what to expect at your visa interview, click on the More Info tab under the visa webpage to find other guidelines and information. Our Visa Navigator is a helpful tool that answers frequently asked questions around the visa application process. You can scan the QR code to access our Visa Navigator. The Visa Navigator can also be found through the Embassy homepage by selecting U.S. Visa and going to the Contact Us/Visa Navigator tab to find the link. We hope this video was helpful as you navigate the visa application process.